So today we're going to figure out the area of triangles. Now you might say to yourself, I already know how to find the area of a triangle. To which I say, I bet you do. What is the formula that you know that you've been using for years to solve a triangle? Yeah, you would do area equals 1/2 base times height. So look at right here. I've got the base and the height. How amazing is that? Now, think about this. Sine right here. Sine of C. Think about what is sine. Sine is what over what? Opposite over the hypotenuse, right? Yeah. Okay, if that's the case, in this little triangle that I could, I'm going to highlight it. If I drew this little triangle right here, then I could find the sine of C. It would be the height, that h value, over the hypotenuse is A. Do you see it? Okay, so we know that sine C is the opposite, which just happens to be h over the hypotenuse. Therefore, h equals A times the sine of C. If that's the case, see all of this right here? We could substitute that in right there. So you would get 1/2 times the base times A times sine C. But that's not very alphabetical order. So substitute this into the area. For h, we're going to say that area, you could also say it equals 1/2 times A times B times sine C. Because sometimes you don't know the height. All right, so 1/2 A. Okay, so 1/2 AB sine C. 1/2 AB sine C. 1/2 AB sine C. Okay, if we know that, then we can find all the things. Look, I never erased from last time I did it. Okay. So, it doesn't really matter what A and B are. They're this one. And do you see how the angle's in the middle? The angle has to be in the middle for this to work. Okay, so I've got my area equals 1/2. A could be either 12 or 15. It doesn't matter. 12, 15. And sine of 110. Like, how beautiful is that? Okay, clear. So 1/2 A, B, sine 110. I'm going to close that because you never know what happens when you don't close it. 84.6. That's the area. Centimeters squared. Oh my gosh, is this not fun? Oh, what do I use on this one? I want this one and this one. So my area equals 1/2, 6, 8. I could do 6 or 8, 8 or 6. Doesn't matter what property. Commutative property says you can multiply in any order. Sine of 72. All right, so I'm just going to type in 3 because half of 6 is 3. Times 8, and you only take half of one of the things. And sine, what, 72? 22.8 meters squared. Oh gosh, look at this. Too much information. Okay. This one, which numbers do I want to use? For number 3, I want 23.5 and 24. Okay, so A equals 1/2, 24, so I could just use like 12. 23.5 sine 25. Okay, so I'm going to type in 12 because half of 24 is 12. Times 23.5, you only take half of one of the things. Sine 25. Enter. 119.2 inches squared. Oh my gosh, isn't that so nice? Okay, but this one, oh no, I don't know all the angles. But you might have seen before, I forgot to erase it. So I've got 81, I've got 43, but I need that angle right there. So if I know how many degrees are totally in a triangle, yeah, 180 minus 81 minus 43. Okay. Oh, really? That's not right. 180 minus 81 minus 43. Can't see the whole triangle. So I did make a little mistake. I didn't need to re-enter it, did I? So 50, what, 8? 56? Okay. So 56 is the angle that I want. So 1/2, 34, so 17, 49.2, sine of 56. Oh my gosh, so fun. So 1/2 of 34 is 17. 17 times 49.2 times sine of 56. $693.4. Yep. All right. That was awesome. Feet squared. All right. The last one. You could do it on your own. You would need to find that angle. Altogether, if you want to find it, it's going to be 97.5 meters squared. See if you can find it. Oh, that was great fun. I like ones that go together like that.